join for the chicken treats. Go! She's going for the chicken treats. Isabella. 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 It's yours.
Smile.
Smile, Bella. Bella.
Aya. Aya. I want you to take picture. Please stand up. I have the picture. Okay, smile. Okay.
Bella. You're tired? That's pretty, Isabella. Very nice. Look at me. Isabella, look at me. Come na. Going to do chicken treating. Chicken treat. Oh, how to call it, Bella? Okay, just follow the thing, the pumpkin thing, okay? We have to go. Come, start from here. Start from here, start from here. So, have you seen the pumpkin? Okay, come na, Bella. Come na. See? Hey, Bella, thank you. Yay, thanks. Get that other one, Bella. This one, no, this is the nice one. Good, thank you.
I do caramel.
This one, get it from here. This is from Auntie. This one.
Ask.
You didn't give? Okay, maybe you didn't give.
Oh, just hearing.
So, come na. Come, Bella. Put it on, baby. It's here. It's here. This one, maybe they'll give. Go. They'll give. Yeah, they'll give. I know it's not. From here, Bella, from down. Come, Bella. Here, Bella. Chicken treating. Come na. Come, Bella. Here, Bella. Maybe they're not giving. Okay. Huh? They're not giving. I'm getting candy. Come here. Come here. Wait na, it's here. There's one more here. Maybe that side. There's one more side. Come na. Come here. Come. How many candies you've got? Four. This one. Chicken cheeks. It's here. This candy here. gift too. Come na. Here. I know, they don't have.
Gift too?
No, they don't have. Come na.
What did you say? Gift?
No, take two, I said.
What do you think I should?
Take from here. So I think they get something. Come na.
I just want to eat my lollipop right now.
Say. I want lollipop. He's taking kitty. What is that more? You want to get the red lollipop?
Red?
It's here, come here. Get the red lollipop. Go to get the red lollipop. Hi, baby. Okay, give me that thing.
24. Hello.
I didn't have candy. Let's go, let's go. Bella, it's here, Bella. Chicken cheese. Go take. Chicken cheese. You say something. Come na. How much,
I
Bella?
got 3.
Okay, put in the bag. Go na, go, go, go. Chicken treat. Open your mouth. Chicken treat. You have to say, otherwise you will not give. We have so many candies. She's so excited for the trick and treats. We have lots of candies. Go that place. Oh, so much candy. Let's see this. If they have it, they have in the store. You have in the store or no? No, not chicken cheese. No, they didn't have. Okay, let's go to the show.
Going to the shop.